What's up everyone, this is Short Hair Tony with JRNY Crypto. In this video we're going to be discussing the cryptocurrency markets. I'm going to be discussing why XRP is up over 50% right now and how I predicted this in my sleep last night. We're also going to get into other cryptocurrencies and why I'm so bullish for the first couple weeks of February. Some very bullish data here I do want to show you guys. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I release new crypto videos. I'm doing 2 videos per day right now with some very important crypto news. Alright guys, so everything in the crypto markets are pretty stable right now. We're seeing Bitcoin around 34,000, Ethereum testing its all-time high still. I do think we're going to be breaking out the first couple weeks of February. There's a lot of buying pressure right now, a lot of new interest coming from the stock market right now and Wall Street, getting into cryptocurrencies for the first time. So I do think everything's going to be moving up in general. I will discuss cryptos in this video I'm more bullish on than others. For higher short-term profit potential. So super weird last night. I never have dreams about cryptocurrency, but for some reason I was having bad dreams, and one of the dreams was I was checking CoinMarketCap and XRP was just skyrocketing as I was watching it while everything else was going down. Just super weird, and I ended up waking up in cold sweats and then going back to sleep, and this morning waking up to XRP being up 50%, over 40 cents right now. Just super weird. So as you guys can see, 43 cents. This is moving around very quickly. So I'm going to go over the news on why XRP is moving up. We also have Uniswap Uni token continuing to climb very steadily here throughout the week. Now getting very close to $20, just insane. So Uniswap, when they launched, they did an airdrop to all the Uniswap users, giving them around $1,200 worth of Uni tokens at the time. This is now worth around $6,000, that free airdrop that everyone got. Just insane how much this has just been climbing. So as you guys can see, a steady move upwards here since the beginning of January. One of the best performing cryptos out of the top 20. So that's moving up steady. Dogecoin is actually going down now. Actually is starting to recover a little bit. I think people are just trying to buy the dips and everything. So this could have a new support level around 3 cents. Hopefully it doesn't keep dumping past that. I do think a lot of people are pulling out of Dogecoin and buying Bitcoin after Elon Musk added Bitcoin to his profile description. A lot of people are very bullish on ADA right now as well. That's up 4%. Very bullish month coming up for Cardano for February. So in the upcoming few days, I will be doing another video on Cardano ADA and going over what I expect in February for the price, news, and launches with the Goguen mainnet rolling out in multiple phases. So watch out for that video coming out. Great information. I'm very bullish on this. I'm also pretty bullish on Litecoin leading up to the PayPal crypto merchant payment launch. Litecoin being the cheapest coin on PayPal. I do think people will be buying that, especially with interest growing in the crypto space in general. So we did see CZ, the owner of Binance here. He did post all-time high of everything: user signups, deposits, trades, system loads. So their website got so overflooded with new users and signups and traffic that their platform was shut down. And this happened to a lot of different platforms that night that Elon Musk added Bitcoin to his profile description. There was actually a peak interest in Bitcoin and Google Trends as well. So if you guys haven't kept up with the news the past couple days and everything happening with Wall Street bets, with the stock market, GameStop stocks, and Dogecoin as well, you should definitely check out my recent 4 videos. Great information in here, and it does show proof that a lot of people are starting to transition from the stock market over to cryptocurrencies. A massive wealth shift is happening right now. And I do think over the next couple weeks, we are going to see the crypto space moving up in general. So a lot of people were kind of upset what was happening with Dogecoin, but I do think it's a really good thing in my opinion. So I did post about this on Twitter. I definitely recommend following me on Twitter for regular updates throughout the day and bullish cryptocurrencies and everything. So what's happening to Dogecoin right now is exactly what the crypto space needs. It's only proving the power of the internet and the masses. This type of thing removes the mental barriers many people have with crypto and will spark a rush of new demand, as we're already seeing with the platforms being shut down and everything. So this is great for the crypto space, and I do think we're going to start seeing the crypto space moving upwards again in general. especially cryptocurrencies that have major launches coming, like Cardano with the Goguen smart contracts. Lots of other major stuff going on as well. So definitely subscribe here, hit the bell if you do want to be notified as soon as this type of information breaks. So I want to let you guys know that I will be doing a flash giveaway of $100 worth of Ethereum over the next 2 days. This will be on my Twitter account. I will link this in the video description. So to enter, you have to sign up for Binance US through my referral link or contact Binance US support and say, please link my account to this referral code. So there was an issue over the past 6 months. Binance US actually updated the referral link structure, and I didn't know about this. So I sent over 5,000 referrals throughout that time, and none of them got counted. So they are trying to work with me to fix this. They've requested that I ask everyone to open a support ticket and request that they add my referral ID. This is the only way we could fix this. So I am doing a small flash giveaway here just to give back to people. This does support the channel and allows me to make more content and do more giveaways. I am launching a huge giveaway coming up here as well for hitting 100,000 subscribers. And we just finished the first major giveaway, which was close to $4,000 worth of crypto prizes. So if you guys do want to enter this, I do appreciate it. If you haven't signed up yet, you can do so as well. Just go to this post and take a screenshot that you signed up with my referral ID and post this in the replies here, and you will be entered. I will be picking one random winner for $100 worth of Ethereum on February 1st at 8 p.m. And I do appreciate you guys taking the time to do this. Like I said, it does support the channel and allows me to do this full time. So we did have Elon Musk add Bitcoin hashtag to his profile description. At the same time, he did post this as well. In retrospect, it was inevitable. And I think he is talking about him buying Bitcoin. So in the past few weeks, he has been mentioning Bitcoin here and there. And he did mention that basically he thinks Bitcoin is better than fiat currency. So of course he's going to be looking into this and making buying some Bitcoin. I think he has bought, and this is him announcing this before it breaks in mainstream news, just to give the little guy a chance to get in before this really blasts off. Him just adding this hashtag to his profile, within that hour he did this and posted that tweet, Bitcoin went up 20% just instantly. Now it's kind of down a little bit again. We haven't heard anything from mainstream news outlets, and all the platforms got backed up for signups. So I do think over the next week, we could be getting an announcement here. So I'm seeing a lot of speculation that Elon Musk is going to be making a major acquisition of Bitcoin through Tesla as well. That would be major breaking news, and I think that type of news breaking would instantly push Bitcoin past $40,000, which would be hilarious because JP Morgan just made that statement that Bitcoin may never pass $40,000 again. Just crazy they would make that statement right after, just a couple weeks after making the statement that Bitcoin could hit $146,000. They switched their stance to never passing $40,000, and I do think they'll be changing that again very soon if we do get any big announcements. So Bitcoin actually nearly touched 40,000 again. It got to around 38,500 with the Elon Musk just adding the hashtag of Bitcoin to his Twitter profile. Just insane what type of effect that has on the biggest cryptocurrency there is. Him even mentioning Dogecoin as well, that is part of what pushed Dogecoin up 800% the other day. So I'm more bullish on cryptocurrencies than ever right now, especially with all the major stuff happening in the finance world. Definitely check out my recent few videos if you haven't heard of everything going on with Wall Street Bets, with Robinhood, and censorship and GameStop. So a lot of people are becoming aware of cryptocurrencies for the first time, and a lot of people are actually going to start transitioning from the stock market into the cryptocurrency space. So that is one reason why I think the crypto space will be moving up in general. Right now, we're only around $1 trillion crypto global market cap, which we barely got to for the first time ever. And that's extremely small in my opinion. This is every cryptocurrency out there combined at the current price of each token is all combined only to be $1 trillion. So we have to keep in mind there's a lot of companies out there that have over $1 trillion market cap alone. And then we also have gold that has over 10 trillion market cap as well. So I do believe cryptocurrencies are extremely undervalued. We're all early to the crypto space still, in my opinion. Once the masses start getting in and we see people flocking to cryptocurrencies and doing dollar cost averaging over the next few months, I think we're going to be pushing up into the multi-trillions crypto global market cap. So today we're seeing XRP pumping over 50%, and I do want to go over this. So Ripple is in a lawsuit right now with the SEC, and basically they're suing them over the sale of XRP and it being a security, and that's going to take quite a while to play out. And this really killed the price of XRP if you guys were watching back then. So XRP went up to around 60 cents with the start of that bull market, and then it crashed down with that announcement as low as 20 cents. And today it's up 50% at 42 cents. And there is an article here on decrypt.co about this. XRP's price just jumped 40%, and here's why. So while Bitcoin and Dogecoin watchers enjoyed the ebbs and flows of Elon Musk cosigns, and while Link Marines beat their chest boasting of the highest growth of 2020, XRP's story has largely been a nail-biting courtroom drama. On December 21st, 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission entered legal proceedings against Ripple, allegedly that they had sold XRP as an unregistered security. So basically what's happening here, as far as I know, XRP is just being pumped by a pump and dump group on Telegram. So we're going to be seeing this a lot in the crypto space right now. Whales will pump something and create a lot of FOMO around the cryptocurrency, and then they'll dump at people while it's up 50% or more. And Dogecoin was a prime example of this as well. So we have to be very careful, especially with so many new people in the crypto space. There's a lot more people that will jump into a cryptocurrency just because it's going up, and there's a lot of fear of missing out, and people think it's going to keep going up. Like Dogecoin just went up 800% in 24 hours. People are now going to get tricked into thinking this is happening with other cryptos, jump in while it's up 50%, and then the whales will dump on them and it'll crash back. So we will be seeing this with a lot of smaller altcoins specifically, but we're also going to see this with top 20 cryptos as well. This is why I recommend dollar cost averaging and finding crypto projects you believe in long term that have a great team and great long term vision that will continue building great utility for the crypto as well. One of these projects for me is Cardano ADA. Massive updates coming throughout 2021, over 100 major partnerships in the pipeline, and this is a crypto that's going to be competing with Ethereum. Ethereum is close to 160 billion market cap. Cardano ADA currently around 11 billion. So as you guys can imagine, massive room for growth here. With Ethereum being over 15 times the market cap of Cardano ADA, you guys can imagine how easily ADA can do a 10x to over $3 here in 2021. So if you're new to the crypto space, be very careful FOMOing into a cryptocurrency and making an investment because you have fear of missing out. That is investing out of emotion, and people that invest out of emotions usually get wrecked. So if you guys want to learn more tips that I have for you guys in the crypto space, I actually have a playlist here, cryptocurrency guides. Definitely recommend going through some of these videos. You'll definitely learn a lot. There's a video here on how I do dollar cost averaging and how I invest in cryptos for long-term success. So you can get a lot of value here for free. I definitely recommend going to that playlist if you're new to the crypto space. So I also have a free 15 video course on the Spark Learn platform. Very easy to just register here, and then you get access to my course and other finance and cryptocurrency courses as well. They're working to partner with other people to bring more free education here. So definitely go through these if you're new to the crypto space. There will be a link to sign up for this in the video description. And this is less than 2 hours of video. You'll learn a lot in this, especially if you're new. I highly recommend going through this to avoid major mistakes and scams and just be better off trading as well. A single mistake can ruin you in cryptocurrency, which is, we saw a lot of that at the peak of the last bull run, which is why the crypto space crashed so quickly. Everyone was just losing money, getting scammed, investing in bad ICOs. There's just so much bad stuff going on, which is another reason why it's good that regulation is coming into play to prevent a lot of that stuff as well. That type of stuff definitely hinders the crypto space and the overall growth. So just be very careful out there chasing green candles and buying cryptos when they're already up huge, like 50% or more. Sometimes this works out and it keeps going and you can sell at a peak, but these crash just as fast as they go up. especially since there's a pump and dump group trying to push this up as well. It's also really hard to get XRP anywhere right now because a lot of platforms removed it because of the lawsuit. So we saw this with Dogecoin the other day as well. Everyone was so sure it was going to $1 very quickly. And of course, this has crashed off over 40% on the 24-hour, now back into the 2-cent range. Did go as high as 8 cents though, which really blew my mind, but that was just because there's so much retail FOMO behind this as well. So be very careful out there buying the peaks. What you want to be doing is be ahead of the herd and buy before the masses start buying, and then you don't want to be at the back of the herd and buying after everyone else did. So some great advice from Warren Buffett is be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. This allows you to be a better trader and sell the tops and buy the bottoms. This makes for a better trader. Instead of most retail investors, how they invest is out of emotion, and basically when everyone is FOMOing and greedy, they're buying with them at the back of the herd, like I did say. So they're buying the tops and then selling the bottoms, and that's really how people get wrecked. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. I do appreciate this. This does help the channel grow and allow me to do more content and more giveaways. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.